Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play online Destiny 2. First, download the game for free on your console or PC. After installation, you'll begin the new light quest, which serves as an excellent tutorial. This initial experience guides you through fundamental gameplay, character abilities, and the game's rich universe. You'll also select one of 3 distinct Guardian classes: the Resilient Titan, the Agile Hunter, or the Powerful Warlock, each offering unique playstyles and abilities. Destiny 2 offers a wide array of core activities to enjoy. You can dive into Strikes, which are 3-player cooperative missions, or challenge yourself with more complex dungeons. Explore diverse planets and moons, participating in dynamic public events that appear regularly. Combat involves mastering your unique Guardian abilities, choosing from hundreds of weapons, and utilizing your subclass powers effectively. Continuously collect new gear to enhance your character's power level. To grow your audience, strategically use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags on every post. Actively engage with other accounts in your chosen niche by leaving genuine comments and liking their content. This builds community and visibility. Consider collaborating with other theme pages that share a similar audience but are not direct competitors. This can introduce your page to thousands of new potential followers, expanding your reach significantly. Your journey in Destiny 2 involves continuous progression. Focus on increasing your power level by earning new, more powerful gear from various activities. Each week, complete specific challenges to earn powerful and pinnacle rewards, essential for reaching the highest power levels. Once you're strong enough, challenge yourself with the ultimate endgame content, such as 6-player raids or Grandmaster Nightfalls, which demand peak teamwork and skill. Customize your Guardian's look and abilities extensively.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.